get to bringing a campus to Brooklyn, New York. We first started thinking about this almost a decade ago. Winchendon Brooklyn represents the confluence of those two goals of bringing down the cost of private school and making a highly engaging learning experience more accessible. And one of the challenges with the existing boarding school model is the very high delivery cost.
It did prompt us to think very hard about what do you really need in a school to have really meaningful learning. The Winchendon Brooklyn campus is the Winchendon School's first satellite campus. We see it as one school, as an extension of our main boarding school campus in Massachusetts.
The curriculum is totally aligned. The teachers are trained in the same ways by the same people. The information systems, the resources we use, they're all common.
It was pretty easy to sell a school that already has a curriculum, already has certain programming in place. We weren't just, selling a dream, we had visions for the space.
We're really building out space that's owned and run by a community not-for-profit called the Child Development Support Corporation.
Without a partner like the CDSC, it would be hard to carry off at this extent. They are our community partner and have provided a great leg in for this school that's coming from New England and trying to establish a really community-based education.
So the fact that we've been in this neighborhood since 1975, so it's over 40 years, we were able to get them immersed in the neighborhood. They wanted the students that attend the Brooklyn campus to also do service. And what better way than to have them work with the community that they go to school.
Each Thursday, a group of our kids helps organize and operate the food pantry, serving about 150 families from the neighborhood once a week.
On the first floor, we're working with the CDSC to develop a hydroponic farm. It doubles as a chemistry and biology classroom. And that project also infuses the food pantry with fresh greens.
It highlights the meaning of our work and the meaning of our curriculum for our students. The hydroponic garden specifically is an incredible STEM resource.
And that's what I really love about the service learning program, is that not only does it require students to sort of apply the theoretical aspects of their learning to real life scenarios, but it also requires them to reflect meaningfully and often on the work that they're doing.
Just like knowing that I'm helping out with the community and knowing that I'm contributing something, like giving back, I think that is really an important thing to me.
We think a lot about time and space. And so we've modified the schedule in a way that'll allow our students to get into the city and access all of the resources.
I think it's unique because I feel like a lot of schools don't take advantage of resources that are around them.
I think schools need to have the courage to step into those big ideas that they might have for themselves. Understanding our own mission was critical in saying, hey, this is worthwhile. This is worth having. This is a school that deserves to exist.
Our board can't wait to talk about what the opportunities are ahead, what the challenges are ahead. And there's still risk. This might not work out. But we've gained from it. We're serving many more kids already than we were just last year at an average lower cost to our families. If we can do that many times over, it'll be a wonderful accomplishment. The Winchendon School gets to go on delivering on its mission a lot longer than it might have just being a boarding school in Winchendon, Massachusetts.